budget session of Parliament kicks off today. It's being described as a make or break session for the UPA ahead of 2014 elections. Well, the government is going to walk a tightrope walk. They need to push through delayed reforms and also ensure flagship social reform legislations sail through in the session of Parliament.
इस समय देश जितनी चुनौतियों से घिरा हुआ है, स्कैम्स, घोटाले हम लोगों के आसपास इतने खड़े हो गए हैं कि उनका गहराई से उनकी जांच, परख और बहस होना जरूरी है। कई पेंडिंग बहुत बड़े मामले हैं। लैंड एक्विजिशन का, इस सारी स्थिति में सदन का चलना बेहद जरूरी है।
I am hopeful and I am confident that this session is going to be a fruitful session. This is the session, as I said, which is going to deal with the financial business, and our country faces many economic challenges, and it is my sincere hope that all political parties will join hands to find productive, constructive solution to the formidable challenges facing our nation.
And well, there are several tests for the government to pass, with the opposition and some of its allies not on the same page in several legislations like the Food Security Bill. The task for the government is cut out. The Lokpal Bill is another challenge. The Land Acquisition Bill could also prove to be a fortune changer, but only if Congress could win over the sharp differences among parties, including its own allies, on its features. Well, what is also not working in the government's favour is that it has landed itself in the middle of the multi-crore VVIP chopper scam. The opposition, led by the BJP, is preparing to corner the government over the issue.